that one. Hi, I'm Ray. This is my vegetable garden. And this channel is all about growing your own fruit and vegetables, along with some flowers and some DIY projects. But today, it's a warm day and we're in the Polytunnel and we're looking at the tomatoes. And we're going to ask the question, why is the tomatoes green and how can we get them to change towards red? So let me show you what we're going to do. So we're located right down the south of the UK and we're around zone 6 to 9 and our first frost date is October 26th. So that gives us 4 to 6 weeks for the tomatoes to ripen. So that gives us back to October the 3rd. So we really need now to get these tomatoes to ripen. So one way we can encourage the tomato plants to grow is to remove the yellow flowers and also to remove any small fruits. This will encourage the plant to put more energy in the remaining fruits. Another thing we can do is to reduce the watering, and this can cause a drier condition and then the plant can put more energy into the remaining fruits. So tomatoes can tolerate night temperatures of 13 degrees, but if the temperature falls by 15 degrees during the day and for a length of a week or two, then the plant will be stunted. When the tomato is growing, it sends out a chemical called ethylene and it encourages the other green tomatoes to grow. So it's best to keep them all on the vine as long as you can. So a green tomato can take 3 to 4 weeks to go from green to turn to red, but if it's slightly changing now, it could change within a week or so. So it's always worth keeping an eye on your tomatoes. So one way we can change the tomatoes a bit quicker is to use some paper bags and a banana. So we're going to insert our green tomatoes, left on the vine, into a bag. We're also going to insert a banana. Once the banana ripens, it will then turn the tomatoes red. So as an experiment, we're going to try again, and we're going to try it without the banana, and we're going to see what the results are, so we can come back to this. But if you have no bananas, an apple or even a pear will do the same job. So let's wait and see, and we'll come back to this another day. If we still have a lot of green tomatoes left, then use a cardboard box and keep them in a cool shed and check them regularly. An alternative method is you can wrap each tomato in newspaper and keep them in a cardboard box. But you need to check them regularly to see if there's any soft or any that are ripen, and remove the ones that have gone soggy or mushy. If they're not likely to make it, then the very nice alternative is to make a green chutney out of your green tomatoes. So, thank you for watching, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So, thank you very much, cheers!
Ripening.